Hello everyone and welcome back to the AuditOne App video series. So now let's have a look at bug bounties and how to submit a report for one. So from the dashboard you could either click on the view more button here in the bug bounties section or on the bug bounties button in the menu. After clicking on either of those, you would be shown this screen where you would see the available bug bounties that you could apply for and also the submitted reports that you have submitted so far. So let's have a look at this one, for example, IOTA Heroes. And from this screen, you would see the scope of the audit, the rewards, the rules, and the requirements. And in case you would need more information about how our bug bounties work, from this button, this information button, you could read how it works and the severity ranking and also our code of conduct. So let's have a look at how to submit a report for a bug bounty. From this screen, after clicking on Submit Report, you will be transferred to this screen where you would show the severity of the issue first. For example, let's call it high, and I'm going to replicate an existing found issue from one of our previous reports. And after that, we would click on Next, and the steps to reproduce, I'm just going to call this Run the Smart Contracts in Remix, something like that. And in the recommendations to fix, let's call it this. Now I'm not going to click on the submit button because this is not a real submission of a bug, but after doing so in your profile, the submission would be shown in the submitted reports and also its status. So that's it about the bug bounties and how to report for an issue.